Chapter 1. What, Where, How and When. History is a chronological account of events as they took place in the past. Why should we study history? Answer. We should study history as it tells us about our past. It gives us understanding about our ancient culture and lifestyle. It helps us to solve the problems of the present day world. Time frames of history. Historians use chronological sequence for a better understanding. Birth of Jesus Christ has been taken as year 0. Any event before Christ is called before Christ, that is BC, and any event after the birth of Jesus is called Anno Domini AD. Timelines of history is divided into 3 stages: prehistory, prologue history and history. Where did people live? People lived near river valleys. This was because rivers provided water for all purposes. Traces of life were found near Suleiman and Kirtara hills in northwest. Traces of life even existed along Ganga. Mahajanpadas like Magadha, Kashi, Vaji, etc. flourished 2500 years ago. The Himalayan mountain has acted as natural barrier between India and Central Asia since ages. How was the name India derived? Our country is called India and Bharat. Bharat was used by the people of North India in the Sanskrit composition Rig Veda. The word Indus traces its roots from the river Indus, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit. How do we know about the past? Archaeologists and historians study several sources to tell us about the past. There are 2 sources, archaeological and literacy. Archaeological, the study of human history and the prehistory through the excavation of sites and the analysis of physical remains. Archaeologists use sources like monuments, art crafts, inscriptions and coins. Handwritten or any other written records of the past is known as the literacy sources. Literacy sources includes 2 types of literature, religious like literature and secular literature. Why studied sources of history? There were 2 groups of people who studied history. One was called archaeologists and the other group are called historians. Archaeology studies remains of buildings made up of stones, bricks, paintings and sculptures. The other groups called historians were the people who studied the past and used information found in inscriptions, seals and scripts. Match the following. Narmada Valley, hunting and gathering. Magadha, the first biggest kingdom. Garo Hills, early agriculture. Indus and its tributaries, the first city. Ganga Valley, cities about 2500 years ago. List 1 major differences between manuscripts and inscriptions. Answer. Manuscripts were written on palm leaves and on bark of the brick tree. Inscriptions were made on the stone slabs and pillars. Third one, return to Rashida's questions. Can you think of some answers to it? Answer. Rashida's question is, how could anyone know what had happened so many years ago? We know that historians use various sources to know about history. Some important sources are manuscripts, coins, inscriptions, archaeological sites, etc. Fourth one, make a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made up of stones? Answer. Archaeologists may find potteries, skeletons, ornaments, tools, statues, toys, cloths, etc. Statues, potteries and toys could be made of stones. Why do you think ordinary men and women did not generally keep records of what they did? Answer. The life of ordinary men and women must have been full of difficulties. Even today, the life of ordinary men and women is too mundane to written anything about it. These are the two possible reasons why ordinary men and women generally did not keep records of what they did. Answer the following in one sentences. What are the occupations of people in the Andaman Island? Answer. The people of the Andaman Islands are engaged in fishing, hunting and collecting forest products. What do scripts consist of? Answer. Scripts consisting of letters or signs. Where is Rosta town located? Answer. In Egypt. Name two words we often use for our country. Answer. Two of the words we often use for our country are India and Bharat. Which languages were used for writing manuscripts? Answer. Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil languages were used for writing manuscripts. What was the south of the Ganga called? Answer. Magadha was called the part of South Ganga. In which languages and scripts were inscriptions written on inscribed stone which was found in Rosta? Answer. Greek and two forms of Egyptians. What was the job of religious teachers? Answer. Religious teachers moved from one place to another to offer instructions and advice to the people who they met on the way.